Hi, it's Katrina from Kinburn Farms. I just thought I'd, hi Stella, show a little video of what I do in the morning. So this is how I get the turkeys out. Come on guys. Just walk behind them. You can get them into second gear if you touch their, that didn't work. This way. Go this way. Come on. Come on Thanksgiving. Just walk behind them. Out you go. Come on. Time to go play. Oh, you're big and scary, yes. Come on, let's go. Go, go, go. Out you go. You guys are getting so big. Out you go. There. Now you're out. Free. So that's letting the turkeys out. And the chickens, they're asking to go out, so we'll come over. At night we keep them in a big pen, tied to their barn. So I'll just show you how much chickens look like dinosaurs. And do my high-tech walk. I can't do it with my left hand. There we go. There, everybody comes. You're free. Come on, guys. And they'll go run around. I originally had some beautiful vegetables in those planters, but they ate them all. Yoo-hoo! Come on, guys. And they will run over to the ducks, because those are their buddies. Whee! Stella, let them by, sweetie. Come on, guys. There. Dun 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 dun. And there's always the last few stragglers. And I'm always talking about how everything goes wonderfully on the farm, and I have these beautiful weed-free gardens. Look at this! This is a potato garden I planted, and then I didn't have a chance to keep up with it. So they're in there, I just have to find them. Whee! Chickens! Where's some more? Oh! Oh! And the turkeys are coming around too. Hi, beauties! Oh, you're big and scary. What do you think? Hey, Blue? There, so now everybody's out for the day. And they'll just all run around and have fun. So everybody enjoy your day. These guys want to come for some pets. Hello! Take care. Have a good day.